Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is day 13 of our Learning English Challenge journey. Speaking in front of the camera. I'm so excited I show up day 13. You all guys asked a few days, but anyway, show up again and I want to speak English today. We're going to speak English, do some interactive speaking practice. So let's get started. So guys, I've been learning English for a long time, almost 8 months, and I've been struggling to memorize words, English words. When it comes to English words, it is really hard to memorize, and the biggest obstacle that I face when it comes to memorizing words is just like when I try to memorize words today, or I just learn new words, I just forget tomorrow. And also, like, it's still sometimes I know the words in my head when I saw like contexts or people using the words. I just know the word meaning is all that stuff, but I couldn't able to use. So just these days I've been learning English, behind the curtain. I just trying to read some history and learn vocabulary, more vocabulary, because I become B2 level. My English level become B2 level, and really I feel like a little bit stuck about also words. Like when it comes to words, I'm not using the advanced words. I don't use. I know some advanced words, but I don't use so much. So this video I want to discuss a tricky idea I learned so far, and for me I use ChatGPT so badly when it comes to learning English. I ask you if I need words. I ask you if I want to read history. I don't really buy books to learn English or read history. For me, if I want to read history, I just ask ChatGPT make me a history that maybe whatever level I want to, So ChatGPT just create me one history. And yesterday I asked ChatGPT a history, create me history, the 5 chapters, makes it history C1, C2, B1, B2 level history, and ChatGPT just create me a history. So I was just reading the history, finished the history, like it was 5 chapters, not that long. Every chapter was like 1 page or something. So I just complete the history. I read complete history, and then I was just see the history. During the history, I catch 7 words I really didn't know before. Even I know, but I didn't know their meaning. I didn't know how to use them, and I know the words. I saw so many times people using their context, their conversation, but I was like, damn, what's this word is about? So I just write down my 7 history that I didn't know. Every chapter one chapter I learned 2 words, one chapter I learned just 1 word, and it really works so much. So if you're struggling to memorize words like me, or even learn vocabulary, you don't know how to get vocabulary, I think you should check out this method. It really works so much. For me, I just want to do that and read as much as I can, and just write down any new words that I don't know in the synthesis during the history. So it really works, this method. And yeah, that is the idea I just come up. And also I want to practice my speaking English. So I just want to let you know this video, if you may be really struggling like me to memorize words or get more words, and you don't want to buy books, or you don't even have books. So for me, I really I don't buy books, and the reason is when I started learning English, that I really need to, that time, at that moment, I need to read history. I need to read books. I needed to memorize some words, or like understand English grammar rules, all that stuff. But I just ordered one book on Amazon, and they bring me home, and then here's the book. I got the book, and then I couldn't able to read the book. And the reason is I don't know, I'm not being too lazy to come to reading, but I just do not like reading at all. So if I buy books, I was scared that I didn't look at them again. So that book, I remember when I bought the first day, I check it out, and then I didn't look it back. I just leave the book there. So I don't want to buy another book again and waste it as well. So I just leave it. I didn't order any book is back again. So guys, that is our video today. My speaking getting better, my English really getting better. And you know guys, you can learn English with me. This video is all about learning English with me, and we just want to practice our English together, fluency together. I'm going to make maybe better videos with this video sucked. So even some people, they don't watch, they don't hit the like button. So if you watching until here, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and hit the give me some compliment at the comment. Just write down anything or ask us any question in your mind if you still keep watching. So I don't know what's going on, but the video not getting some views at all. So anyway, we good. We just want to practice our English, so we're gonna show you until we become fluently. And that is our video, guys. I hope you like this video, and yeah, asking me any question in the comment. So I just want to keep learning the language, keep practicing, and until we become fluent. So that is every single day I will share video while I speak in English. I used to do that, and that time my YouTube doing good that time, and also I getting more fluency. I closed that time to improve so much. But these days I feel like I skip away 3 days, 2 days, 1 day, blah blah. I was like, damn, my everything is just sucked. I really not improving as much as before. So yeah guys, have a good one. I love you all, and see you next video.